Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you will find by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Mission School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English language class for class 3 students. Our today's lesson, Lesson 5, Pronoun discussion. So, my dear students, open this book, Enjoying Grammar 3, and go to page number 15, Pronoun. We will discuss today pronoun. So let's see our today's class. Class 3, subject English language, topic lesson 5, pronoun discussion, term half-yearly, lecture 7, SW will be 6, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, today's date. So my dear students, let's start our class, today's class. So pronoun, read the sentences. This is Ruby. Ruby and I are best friends. We go to school together. So this is Miss Vinita Rutagi. She's our class teacher. This is Mr. Shaw. He is our principal. So in this sentence you can see this is Mr. Vinita Rutagi. She is our class teachers. So this is Mr. Vinita Rotagi. We could say Miss Vinita Rotagi is our class teacher. Instead of her name, we are using she. So she is her pronoun. This is Mr. Shaw. Mr. Shaw is a person, is a man. That's why we are using he without his name. He is our principal. So in this sentence, he is a pronoun. So what is a pronoun? So pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. So when we are using pronouns in place of nouns, in place of any, so when we are using instead of any noun, any pronoun is called pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. So in this sentence, in place of Vinita Rotagi, we are using she. She is pronoun. In place of Mr. Shaw, we are using he. He is our principal. He is a pronoun. So pronouns are words that are used in place of noun. Okay, we use pronouns so that we do not want to use the nouns repeatedly. So pronouns are actually 8 types. So the first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns stand for 3 persons. The first person, the second person, and the third person. So the first person. What are the first person? I, we, me, my, mine. Okay, let's see. Let me write here. What are the first person? What are the first person? I, we, me, my, mine, our, ours. So these are the first person. And what are the second person? Second person, you, your, yours. And we use sometimes thy in poetry. This is also second person. Third person. Third person. What are the third person? He, she, it, they, them. So first person, second person, and third person. These 3 person belongs to personal pronoun. Okay. So when pronouns are placed before verbs, they are subject pronouns. I am a teacher. Am is a verb. Before I, we are using, before am, we are using I. I is a subject pronoun. I is a subject also. What is a subject? A sentence, I am a teacher. This sentence is about I. I is the subject. And as I have been used before am, I also is the subjective pronoun. When pronouns are placed after verbs, they are object pronouns. Likes is the verbs. After likes, we are using me, the pronoun. That's why this is called object pronoun. which is called object pronouns. So what are the words that we can use in place of subject and objective pronouns? Subject pronoun and object pronouns. So I is the subject pronoun when an object pronoun is me. We is the subject pronoun, us is the object pronoun. You is the subject pronoun, you is the object pronoun. You, it belongs the same, remains the same in subject and object. He is the subject pronoun, him is the object pronoun. She is the subject pronoun, her is the object pronoun. It is the subject pronoun, it remains the same also in the object pronoun. They is the subject pronoun, them is the object pronoun. Let's go. Another thing, Mina, Tina, Rina, these are girls. So girls, instead of girls, instead of women, we have to use the pronoun she in the subject pronoun. Okay, object her. Niloy, Fahim, Fardin, these are boy or man. So instead of boy or man, we have to use the pronoun he. The boys, the girls, the children. When the nouns belongs to third person plural number, boys, many girls, children, a lot of. Instead of this, we have to use the pronoun they. Okay? So let's go to our discussion. Look at this table. First person singular, the person is speaking I love mangoes. Object pronoun is me. I have discussed. I is the subject pronoun, me is the object pronoun. First person plural number, we is the subject pronoun, us is the object pronouns. Number 3, second person singular, the person is spoken to you and you. You is the subject pronoun or object pronoun also. Second person plural number, you and you. Third person singular number, singular means one, remember, he won, she won, it won. He, she, it likes me. Okay, and third person plural number object from, him, her, it. Okay, this is subject from and this is object from. Third person plural, the person or things spoken about, they. Third person plural means many, and them, the objective form of they. Okay, let's do number exercise 1. Replace the nouns in color with personal pronouns. So this is my pet dog, Snoopy. So the name of the pet dog is Snoopy. This is Snoopy. Okay, Snoopy, instead of Snoopy, they have been used he. He is very playful. He, Snoopy. We love Snoopy very much. So we love Snoopy. After verb, what will come? The objective pronoun. So after he is the subjective pronoun and him is the objective pronoun. So you have to use we love instead of Snoopy him, because Snoopy here is objective pronoun. We love him very much. This is Raja. Raja is my brother. So before the verb we have to use the subjective pronoun. So Raja is a boy. Instead of Raja we have to use he. He is my brother. Raja takes Snoopy for a walk every morning. So again Raja, before subject we have to use subjective form. That's why we have to use he. He takes Snoopy. Snoopy here is objective form. After the verb, objective form. So we have to use him. Snoopy takes, he takes him. Raja, instead of Raja we have used he takes Snoopy him for a walk every morning. Okay, let's go to next page. The children are playing hide and seek. The children, a lot of children, third person plural number. The children are having fun. So the children, how many? One or many? Many children. And this is subjective form. That's why we have to use they. Okay, as this is subjective form. Before subject, before verb, subjective pronoun. They are having fun. Roshan is looking for his friends. So this is Roshan. Roshan is a boy. Fida hides behind the tree. This is Fida, girl. Roshan has seen Fida. So Roshan is a boy and this is a subjective pronoun because before the subject, as Roshan is a boy, we have to use he instead of Roshan. Fida. Fida is a girl and Fida is objective pronoun here because after the verb we have to use objective pronoun. So as Fida is a girl, we have to use her instead of Fida. Okay? Roshan and Frida dash are looking for their other friends now. So Roshan and Frida, one or many, a lot of, and the subjective pronoun we have to use they because subject belongs to many. They are looking for their other friends now. Number 3, Rahul and I are going swimming. Would you like to come with Rahul and me? Look, Rahul and me. Okay. And so instead of these, we have to use the pronoun, objective pronoun us. Okay. Rahul and me. As there is me is mentioned here, that's why we have to use us. Shopna loves her toys. She is always playing with her toys. Her toys means one toys or many toys? Many toys. That's why we have to use the objective pronoun here, them. Why objective pronoun? Because this is a verb. After verb, we have to use objective pronoun. Exercise 2. Rewrite the sentences using pronoun in place of the words in color. So, Priya likes to watch movies. Instead of Priya, we can use she likes to watch movies. Rahul cannot find the key. The key is colored. So, we have to rewrite the sentence. Instead of key, we can write. So, Rahul cannot find. So, key, one key. That's why we have to use it. Okay. Number 3. Do you know Helen? So, do you know? And Helen is a girl and this is the objective pronoun after the verb. That's why we have to use her, objective pronoun her, because Helen is a girl and she is the subjective pronoun, her is objective pronoun. The children played with the kittens. So the children, how many children? The children are many, sorry. The children, plural form, the children played, P-L-A-Y-D, with. So kittens, one or many, a lot of. And this is the objective pronoun. That's why we have to use them. The children played with the kittens or with them. Full stop. Can Jason and Nancy come to play? So Jason and Nancy, not one. So instead of Jason and Nancy, we can use the subjective pronoun because before verb, they. T will be a small letter. Can they come to play? Question mark. Jason and Nancy, two different person. That's how we have used they. Vivek Kumar is a film star. So Vivek Kumar is a man. So and this is the subjective pronoun. That's why we have to use he. He is a film star. Okay. Zain and I are classmates. So Zain and I, the two, and I is mentioned here. That's why we have to use the subjective pronoun as before the subject. We are classmates. Okay, let's read the. Okay, so this is exercise 2. So my dear students, that's all today my lecture. SW6 submit on Saturday. Lesson 5 pronoun exercise 2. Read the sentences. So my dear students, that's all for today. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM in the school library. Okay, keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.